Good morning students. In the previous video we have completed our exercise number A till page number 64. Today we are going to continue from the page number 65, eighth one. Which way did she go? asked the young man. तो इसको हम indirect में लिखेंगे. The young man asked which way she had gone and full stop. He said to me, where are you going? So we will write in indirect speech, he asked me where I was going. Then 10th one is, you should wait here till I return, she said to him. So we are going to write this sentence in indirect speech. She told him that he should have waited there till she returned. So like that we have completed our exercise number A. हमारी पूरी यहाँ पर complete होती है. Now you have to write exercise number B also. But in exercise number B what we have to do, we have to change the following sentences into direct speech. पहले exercise में हमने क्या करा, हमने डायरेक्ट स्पीच को इनडायरेक्ट में चेंज किया. अब हम इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच को डायरेक्ट स्पीच में चेंज करेंगे. सो अवर फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इज, शी टोल्ड हर मदर दैट शी वॉज गोइंग टू द मार्केट. सो यू आर गोइंग टू राइट शी सेड टू हर मदर, फिर कॉमा, फिर इन्वर्टेड कॉमा, दो कॉमाज ओपन, आई एम गोइंग टू द मार्केट, फुल स्टॉप और कॉमा बंद हो जाएंगे. ऐसे हर सेंटेंस में हम करेंगे. देन second one is, his friends told me that they would go home the following Sunday. So you are going to write in second one, his friends said to me, comma, inverted comma open, we will go home the next Sunday, comma close, full stop. The teacher told Anil that he had been very regular in his work. So you are going to write it in the direct speech. The teacher said to Anil, comma, you have been very regular in your work and full stop. Then fourth one is, Sunil told me that he had finished his work. तो हम लिखेंगे Sunil said to me, comma, inverted comma open, I have finished my work. Then fifth one is, the teacher said that the earth moves around the sun. The teacher said, comma, inverted comma open, the earth moves around the sun. He said that he was not going home that day. तो हम लिख देंगे he said I am not going home today. He asked me if I had brought the pens. तो हम लिख देंगे यहाँ पर he asked me did you bring the pens and full stop. Then eighth one is, the boy asked me if that was the place we had visited before. The boy said to me, inverted comma open, is this place you have visited, ago और question mark लगाएंगे हम इस sentence में. Then ninth one is, the judge told the witness to tell the truth. The judge said the witness tell the truth. Then 10th one is, the prisoner begged the judge to forgive him. The prisoner said to the judge, inverted comma open, forgive me, inverted comma close and full stop. So like that we have completed our exercise number B also. So once again I am going to show you for 2 minutes exercise number B so you can write it properly. And we are going to do the writing section also in today's video. So first of all you have to complete exercise number B, then we will go through the writing part of this chapter. So you can see it, exercise number B. Like that only you have to put all the commas and full stop in this exercise. So now we will go through the writing part. So you have to open page number 66 for the writing part. So in our writing section we have to form a story based on the lion and the echo. Write it in the given space. तो जो हमने अभी पोएम पढ़ी थी उसको हमें स्टोरी फॉर्म में यहाँ पर लिखना है. सो मैंने यहाँ पर लिखा है as it is. You also have to write. I am going to read it for you. There was a proud lion in the deep forest. He was the king of a forest. Once he roared as loudly as he could. one mistake is there. It will be lion. Lion, lion. Once he rode as loudly as he could. Then the echo of his sound came back. तो हम यहाँ क्या बोल रहे हैं कि जो लॉयन है वो किंग है फॉरेस्ट का, और वो एक बार रोर करता है, चिल्लाता है लाउडली बहुत ज़्यादा, तो उसी की आवाज़ उसको वापस सुनाई देती है. द लॉयन थॉट दैट देयर माइट बी एन इंट्रूडर. तो लॉयन को लगता है कि कोई और घुस आया है मेरे जंगल में. इन द फॉरेस्ट हु वांटेड टू अटैक हिम. उसके ऊपर अटैक करने के लिए कोई घुस आया है. ही बिकेम एंग्री एंड डिसाइडेड टू टेक रिवेंज. वो गुस्सा हो जाता है और वो सोचता है कि अब मैं बदला लूँगा. नाउ ही वॉन्टेड टू फाइंड आउट द इंट्रूडर. तो वो ढूंढने लगता है कि कौन घुसा है उसके फॉरेस्ट में, इन द फॉरेस्ट. ही रोड एंड कॉल्ड द अदर लॉयन. और वो चिल्लाकर दूसरे, उसको लगता है दूसरा लॉयन है, बट ऑल वेंट ऑन हिज वेन. पर कुछ भी नहीं होता है, कुछ भी आवाज़ नहीं आती है. द लॉयन वॉज एग्जॉस्टेड एंड सैंक टू द ग्राउंड. और फिर वो थक कर ग्राउंड पे लेट जाता है. अ बर्ड इन अ ट्री लुक्ड एवरीथिंग. जो ऊपर ट्री के पास बर्ड रहती है वो ये सब कुछ देख रही होती है. इट सेड दैट देयर वॉज नो अदर लॉयन इन द फॉरेस्ट. और वो फिर बोलती है कि कोई दूसरा लॉयन इस फॉरेस्ट में नहीं है. ही वॉज हियरिंग ओनली द एको ऑफ हिज रोरिंग. और ये लॉयन खुद की ही एको, खुद की ही आवाज़ सुन रहा था. So we have completed our writing part also. So you have to write this short story summary form of the poem here as I have written. And in the next video we will continue forward with our new chapter, and here our this chapter is completed.